Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will create one toggle button in MIT App Inventor. So here we see the example first. So here you can see that's the app here and that's the button here, right? So I'm going to click on this button. You will see green, it means on, and this will change the color. You can perform any other action also, okay? And if I just click on again this button, you will see red and this color will change right here. You can perform any other action using this on and off button like this. Okay, that's the toggle button, right? So we will create this button here in this video. So here we go. So first we need to click on start new project, and that's my project name is toggle button or btn project something. Click on OK. We need to use here design. Okay, so we need one button here, and I'm going to use here one layout, and that one is horizontal arrangement. Okay, here, and make this one with this fill parent. Okay, and make this background color white, and I'm using here this button here like this. Now I'm going to change this button text to nothing, like click on this button and remove this text. Now, so if you want to make a design like that, so we need some images. It means two images here. So I'm going to upload two images here. Click on upload file, click on choose file, and I already have two images here off, and that one is on image. Okay, I will give you the link of these all images in the description. Okay, and just copy these links and click on open. It means just open this off, upload this file, and again I'm going to upload on image also like this. Okay, now we have to change these both images in this on one button click on, right? So what we will do, we are going to change this. Click on this button here and make this one hide at least 50 pixel, not 50%, 50 pixel, and make this width is 100 pixel like this. Now let's click on the image option and just make it off.png. Now it's not look fine. Now I'm going to make this height 100 and see how it's look. Yeah, it's look great now. Now I'm going to click on horizontal arrangement and make this in a center like this. Fine. Now go to the block section and initialize one variable here global, and this should be flag to know which the button is on or off. Flag maths function, I'm to make this flag value is 0. Now whenever someone click on this button, okay, then we need to check the condition. Click on control and use your if else condition and make this one more else if like this. Now click on maths and use your equal sign, this one condition. Now click on the flag and you will see get flag. Just check the flag value, okay, and then copy this value here. If the flag value is 0, then we have to set our button image should be button1 dot image. You will see here button1 dot image, this one. This is like this. Drag and drop this one here and click on text and just make it here. If the button is 0, then we have to make it button should be off.png, something like on.png, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to paste this one URL here, file mnt sd card app inventor assets dot on.php. But in the production we need to change this one URL. Okay, so just I will give you the link of this URL also. Okay, you don't need to worry, and just copy this one again and make this one and then again copy this one and make this one on to off like this. Fine. Now we need to do one more thing. We have to set the value. Okay, now click on the flag just and make this flag value should be 1. make it 1, change 0 to 1 and just copy and paste this value here and make this value 0. Now we have to change screen color. Okay, so what we will do, I'm going to click on this screen and you will see here background color, screen 1 dot background color, this one. Just drag and drop this here and make this red. You can make it green. Okay, and copy this and make it red. See, now let's run this app and how it's work. Like this one. Now I'm going to click on this. You'll see green, red, green, red. So this whenever we click on this button, this will change the image of button right here, like see. But we are not able to, and no one can see this image. It's look like this image is changing here. Okay, people look like, oh, it's the design of our app, like, okay. So there are a lot of tricks about the design in MIT App Inventor. You can use it. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. I will give you the link of this app in the description. You can go through the link and download this app. Okay, download the AIF file also. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.